In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix lag and slow performance in Windows 11. Fix today here, let's begin. If your Windows 11 computer feels slow, lags when opening programs, stutters while multitasking, or simply does not perform the way it should, follow along carefully because we're going to optimize several important settings that can help improve overall performance. First, let's disable unnecessary startup programs. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager appears, click on Startup Apps. Review the list of applications that launch automatically when Windows starts. Right-click any application that you do not need running immediately after startup and select Disable. Focus on third-party applications such as Teams, OneDrive, Steam, Discord, Skype, VPN clients, and other software that automatically launches with Windows. Reducing startup applications can help Windows boot faster and free up system resources. Next, right-click the Start menu and select Settings. From the left panel, click Privacy and Security. Under Windows Permissions, click Recommendations and Offers, then turn off all available options. After that, click Speech and turn off online speech recognition if you do not use voice typing or dictation. Click Inking and Typing Personalization and disable personalization features. Then select Diagnostics and Feedback and turn off Send optional diagnostic data. Disable any additional feedback or personalization settings that are available. While still in the settings area, disable unnecessary search features, turn search history off, turn show search highlights off. Under search my accounts, turn Microsoft account off, turn work or school account off. Under find my files, select classic instead of enhanced. These settings reduce background indexing, lower disk activity, and can help improve Windows 11 performance, especially on older computers or systems using traditional hard drives. Now let's disable transparency effects. Open Settings and go to Personalization, then Colors. Locate Transparency Effects and switch the option off. Disabling transparency effects reduces visual processing and may improve performance on slower systems. Next, we'll optimize visual effects. Press the Windows key plus R in the Run box. Type sysdm.cpl. Press Enter. When the System Properties window opens, select the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click Settings, choose Adjust for Best Performance. After selecting that option, re-enable Show Thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. Click Apply and then click OK. This reduces animations and visual effects that can slow Windows down while keeping important visual elements enabled. Now let's change the power mode. Open Settings and go to System, then Power and Battery. Under Power Mode, select Best Performance. This allows Windows to prioritize speed over power saving. Next, remove unnecessary applications. Press the Windows key plus R, type appwiz.cpl, and press Enter. Review the list of installed programs and uninstall applications that you no longer use. Removing unnecessary software reduces background resource usage and can improve overall responsiveness. Now let's clean temporary files. Open Settings and go to System, then Storage. Click Temporary Files, review the available file categories, and select the files you want to remove. Click Remove Files. Cleaning temporary files helps free storage space and improve responsiveness. Next, check for Windows updates. Open Settings and click Windows Update. Select Check for Updates, install any available updates, and restart your computer if prompted. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Now we'll repair corrupted system files. Click the search bar and type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type SFC //SCANNOW. Press Enter and wait for the scan to complete. After the scan finishes, type DISM /online /cleanup -image /ScanHealth. Press Enter and allow the process to finish. Then type DISM /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth. Press Enter and wait for completion. These commands repair corrupted Windows files and system images that can cause lag and slow performance. Once everything is complete, restart your computer. A restart applies all changes and clears temporary memory usage. These steps help fix lag, stuttering, and slow performance in Windows 11 by reducing startup load, disabling unnecessary background features, optimizing visual effects, cleaning storage, installing updates, and repairing Windows system files. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.